25, being on Friday morning. I is Imperial Majesty, Dr. Ambassador Prosper Chukwuka, the King of Igbo worldwide, the second, the custodian of Igbo culture and tradition, the King that does great things. Want you to give all my subjects in different parts of the world wisdom. Wisdom in different types. Wisdom in different forms. Wisdom in different dimensions. Anywhere you are, whether you are in Nigeria or diaspora, and you are a subject of Friends of Igbo Palace, I'm releasing the spirit and the power of wisdom to your life. You must be wise all the days of your life, because wisdom is power. That is the prayer of a king to your life this morning. I say this prayer with my staff of Igbo traditional authority. As I pray, so shall it be.